So you just bought a house, but in order to be competitive, you had to make a big giant down payment. Cause let's be real, what seller wants to accept an offer from a buyer that's making a little tiny down payment? Well, that kind of stinks because now you've taken all of your assets out of your investments and they're now sitting in the form of equity, not earning interest. So how do you get that money back? The silver bullet? The Recapture Refi.
Till you come back home. Just wanna keep calling your name.
So what's a recapture refi? Well, to put it simply, it lets you recapture most of that down payment that you had to make in order to buy the house. And now you can use those funds, put them back in your investment account, put them back to work for you, do whatever it is that you were planning on doing. Maybe you want to put in a pool. Bottom line is that you can tap into your equity immediately. Most banks and credit unions make you wait 12 months before you can pull cash back out of your property. But with the Recapture Refi, you can get a home equity line of credit second or a closed-end second the very next day after you close. And you can borrow up to 95% of your home's value. So think about it. Maybe you had to make a big 40% down payment in order to be at a conforming loan amount or in order for the seller to accept your offer. Well, now that your deal's closed, you can come in behind and get 35% of your 40% down payment back. Because again, with the Recapture Refi, you can borrow up to 95% of your home's value. And the cool thing is you're not messing with your first mortgage, so you're not incurring a bunch of new first mortgage closing costs. You get to keep the rate on your first mortgage. So if you bought with a builder and you got some sweet incentive to purchase the house, you get to keep that. And the best part of all, we don't even need to get a new appraisal. We can literally use the appraisal that you just used to close your purchase transaction to get you up to 95% of your home's value through a Recapture Refi so that you can get your equity back in your bank account, putting it back to work for you. If you want more information about our Recapture Refi, click the link below, reach out to our team. We'll provide you with the information you need to make an educated mortgage decision. And if you want to proceed, we'll take you through next steps and we'll be happy to help you recapture that equity. If you got value out of this video, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.
Just wanna keep calling your name.